what is the role that the NGOs play in development of the society or developmental processes? One, जहां जहां पे गवर्नमेंट के काम में कमी रह जाती है, in various welfare schemes and initiatives of the government, NGOs play a very important role in those particular activities or in those particular segments as such, so to say. Wherever the government is not able to fill the gap, NGOs end up filling those particular gaps in the functioning of the government. So that is one thing which we need to keep in mind as far as the role played by the NGOs is concerned. Now, what else? NGOs play a very important role as implementation partners of the government as well. Government के बहुत सारे schemes और programs को implement करने के लिए government NGOs को hire करती है. Vaccination drive, awareness drives, trying to monitor the implementation of various government schemes, programs, etc. NGOs work as a philanthropic organization as well. बड़ी बड़ी philanthropic organizations या fund से पैसा लेकर गरीबों में बांटना, relief distribution करना and all of that. NGOs play a very important role in enforcing accountability and transparency on the functioning of the government by asking them tough questions. Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan is one such example. They play a very important role in creating awareness among people. Jagori is one such example. Indian School of Democracy being one such example. Again, organizations that are trying to work in the area of trying to create awareness among the citizens. NCPRI, National Campaign for People's Right to Information. सतर्क नागरिक संगठन, ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस क्या कर रही हैं? आरटीआई के बारे में लोगों में जागरूकता पैदा कर रही हैं. They play an important role in conflict resolution as well. Various NGOs are working in Naxal affected areas, in Kashmir, in Northeast, in order to diffuse the tensions that exist between different sections of the society.